Fashionista 177 has the same skin tone as the Kira BMR 1959 doll and the orange pants yoga made to move, so you can make her curvy or original. Barbie Fashionista 178 and 182 both have the same skin tone. This is the same skin tone as the green pants yoga made to move, and there are several other made to move Barbies that have the skin tone as well, including Looks model number 1. Other dolls with this skin tone include the curvy dancer and the tall basketball player. So these dolls can be original, curvy, or tall, but unfortunately not petite. This skin tone is too dark for the blonde hiker made to move and a bit too light for the floral bun made to move, so keep that in mind while you are rebodying. Barbie Fashionista 179 has a bit of a difficult to match skin tone. She's a bit too dark for the floral bun made to move, but also a bit too light for the yellow top. This means she's also a bit too light for the purple pants and model Looks number 2. You could maybe get away with it if you wanted to, but there would be a definite difference there. However, there is a made to move doll who will match her skin tone, and that is the petite Yara Shahidi made to move. However, this is a very expensive, very rare doll, and not a lot of people have her as an option for body swapping. But there's good news. Barbie Extra number 10 has the same skin tone as the Yara Shahidi made to move doll. Barbie Extra number 10 is not fully articulated. She only has 11 points of articulation, so she's not made to move, but she is more common than the Yara Shahidi doll, and she does have 11 points of articulation, which is more than Barbie Fashionista 179 has. Barbie Fashionista 180 doesn't have an exact skin tone match for a body donor, but there are several swaps you could get away with, and you just kind of have to decide which one looks the best to you. So here's 180 compared to the purple top and the yellow pants. Neither one is really the best match, but I would pick the purple pants over the yellow top in this case. Model number 2 and model number 7 are also not exact matches, but you could probably get away with it. I was thinking Fashionista 166 would be a good swap option, but she has more red undertones. The other made-to-move doll with cooler undertones is the Claudette BMR 1959 doll, but I don't know that that's the best match either. I guess you would have to decide if it looks good enough to you. Finally, the floral ponytail yoga made to move doesn't seem like a good match either. So in all of these cases, you just kind of have to decide which one is the closest in your opinion. Fashionista 181 has the same skin tone that most Millie dolls have, and that means most made-to-move dolls with Millie face molds will be a match. That means dolls like the Pink Pants and Fashionista 165 would be good choices, as well as the baseball made to move. I don't own the pink top, so I've never been able to categorize her, but I think this is the basic skin tone that she is. I cannot verify with my own 2 eyes, however. And an important thing to note is not all Millie face mold made to move dolls have the same skin tone. So for example, this blonde hiker is a shade too dark for Fashionista 181 to get switched onto. But you could probably make it work, I guess, if you were desperate. And of course, Fashionista 181 is darker than the purple pants and the floral curvy made to move. Fashionista 183 can also be swapped onto a made to move body. He will match model number 4 from the Looks line, so you could swap him onto this body. However, after the absolute struggle I went through to get model number 4, I am not head swapping him anytime soon. Fashionista 184 finally came in the mail, and I can now confirm that he is indeed a match for Looks model number 4, which means this beauty can get a made-to-move body. I didn't get a chance to unbox him in my unboxing video, so if you want to see 184 more up close and with his outfit, keep on watching and you can see him unboxed. Oh my goodness. I have been waiting for Fashionista 184 for what feels like forever, okay? And he is finally here. And I don't know if this is an exaggeration to say at this point, but he may be my favorite fashionista from all of 2021. I don't know if that's a hyperbole, but let's open him up to look at him closer. Let's start by looking at his artwork. Usually, I think the doll's artwork is a little cuter than the dolls themselves, but in this case, I think Fashionista 184 is actually way more adorable than his artwork. Like, the artwork can't capture the beauty of what is 184. So, let's look at him a little close up. So he has a new face mold that has shaved sides. It's a grayish kind of brown with highlights on the top, and it goes all the way around. The back of his hair isn't just smooth, it has like a texture hair type feeling. He has an amazing face. It is just dreamboat, heartthrob, gorgeous. His face paint is very matte, very smooth, absolutely no pixelization at all, and it's perfectly printed. Like, did I not say in the last video that the Barbie Fashionistas were gonna put out a new member of the K-pop band each wave now? Well, look at, here we go. 184 is like the next member of the K-pop Fashionistas. Here are all the dolls so far who I would say are kind of K-pop-y. Say this guy's like the rapper. The middle one is like the goofy, fun prankster, and then 184, he's the heartthrob, the mysterious one, the Harry Styles of the group, who everybody is just throwing themselves at, falling all over him because he's just gorgeous and withdrawn and above everyone else. Oh my goodness, I love this Ken. He's so cute. And not only do I just love his face mold, I love his outfit too. Like, this outfit is everything I love in real life and doll clothes. He has a floral shirt with a collar, it velcros on the front. And then he has orange pants, my favorite color. The orange pants are a little above his ankle with a rolled up hem, and he's wearing sneakers. These are my favorite Barbie sneakers. I love how chill and casual they look. Just everything about Fashionista 184 is awesome, amazing. I don't know if I can say he is my absolute favorite from the 2020 Fashionistas that I've got, but he's like top 5, top 3. Is Fashionista 184 worth $20 to $30 extra, depending on the availability of Looks dolls, to get a Made to Move body? Yes he is, because he's amazing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.